In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly cancel your Weebly subscription. Whether you're moving to a new platform or just don't need the service anymore, the process is simple once you know where to look. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Weebly website. Sign in by clicking the sign in button at the top right and entering your account email and password. Once you're logged in, look again toward the top right corner and click on your site name. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, find the section labeled Pricing and Subscription. This is where you can view your current plan and make changes. If you're canceling a specific Weebly service, head to the My Services area. You'll see all your active services listed there. Next to the one you want to cancel, click the Manage button. This will open the cancellation window. If you don't see a direct cancel option, don't worry, you can downgrade to the free plan, which essentially cancels your paid subscription but keeps your site active with limited features. Just choose the free plan option and follow the prompts. After confirming your cancellation or downgrade, Weebly will send you a confirmation email. Make sure to check it so you know the changes went through. And that's all you need to do. Your subscription is now cancelled. If you run into any issues or something doesn't look right, Weebly's support team is there to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process easy for you.